Hello, I am Crafty Nica and today I will show you ideas for decorating covers with various school materials. We start with a decoration inspired by mosaics. To create this border, I first draw a sketch with a pencil on the top and bottom margins of the page and then outline each section of the semicircles with a different color. Then I begin to decorate the inside of the arches with different shapes. For example, in the first pink arch I draw little circles of different sizes. And now I color the outside pink and fill in the entire strip around the little circles. In the next arc, I draw a kind of green triangles with rounded corners and follow the same steps. After completing the strips, I color them with the same green marker. In the orange stripe, I draw thin shapes, and in the next one, wider blue ovals. Then I repeat the same steps with the top edge of the sheet. After that, I write the title of the cover in the center of the paper with rainbow letters and the same markers I used for the borders. And to finish, I stick the cover in my notebook. To make the next cover, I draw directly on the notebook page and use a magenta marker. First, I draw the little branches on the corners in a trident shape, and then I do the same on the edges, trying to keep them symmetrical. And now I draw a flower at the end of each branch. Then I add some leaves and more branches with little balls on their ends. After that, I color everything with crayons, although colored pencils, markers, etc. could be used. In my case, I use yellow, orange, green, pink, and violet crayons. And after coloring the border, I write the title with the same marker I used to draw the flowers. Now I color the top part of the letters in orange, the middle in pink, and the bottom in violet. I leave the center uncolored to give the letters a bit of volume. Finally, I outline everything again to make the title stand out more, and that's how this cover would look. To make the next cover, I draw a rainbow circle on a white sheet. And while the ink dries, I draw a simple border in the notebook with a black marker. Also, since these markers bleed through the paper, I protect the notebook with plastic. Now I decorate the rainbow circle with concentric white circles. Then I cut out the figure and divide it into 4. Next, I stick each of the cutouts in a corner of the notebook and write the title with a black marker. Now I outline the letters with the colors of the circle. And finally I add some outlining details with the white pen. To create the next cover, I use only yellow and violet watercolors. And I start by protecting the notebook with a plastic sheet. Then I draw yellow semicircles on each side of the notebook and then add little triangles around them to form the suns. After that, I wait for the paint to dry and trace over the rays with the same color. Next, I paint the corners yellow and draw the clouds in violet. I give them a couple of coats of paint, which I apply in little circles to create some texture. Now I write the base of the letters with violet watercolor and then color the ends in orange, leaving the center violet. Then I add some dots and stars on the edges, and to finish, I outline everything with orange and violet crayon. And this was the last cover for this video. If you want to see more ideas, I invite you to visit and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching the video.